Hey, back to the daily grind. If you need an easy upcycle, cut a barrel, go on Marketplace, $3, and I got 3 raised beds for blueberry. I make these really cool raised garden beds, but we want to do it on the cheap. We want to do it on the free. We want to thrift it. Homesteader and an upcycler. So why not upcycle something into a raised garden bed? So what started this is we have 4 blueberry plants, and I bought another one. They kind of just don't do well where we did it, or they're struggling a little bit. So my idea is to put it in the same spot, but to raise it up and have better drainage. I think that might be our problem with the clay. Got this off Marketplace for $3. It's all rusty, but I cut the top off this one. Okay, so there's these nice little seams right here. I'm going to try to cut on the seam, and that'll add some structure. It's not going to be easy. My other thought was to cut right down the middle. It's either get 3 beds or 2. I'm going to get 3. Let's see how this goes. I'm just going to brace it because the wheel wants to spin it that way. You know, let's reverse it. Always wear safety goggles. There's sparks bouncing off my glasses right now. That's awesome. So I wasn't worried about this cut because that's going to go in the ground. It's a little wanky. I might try to bend it. Not so bad. Here are the 4 blueberry bushes. I brought some acid-loving fertilizer, a little food. So I didn't want it too close. I thought about putting it right in the center. We already had some weed mat and a hole here where we planted some pumpkins last year. It worked out. It was already green, so it's a great garden color, but you could spray paint it black if you want. I'm gonna put a little sawdust in the bottom because I'm a woodworker. Now, sawdust should help with drainage. It's a little organic material. I'm gonna give them a little bit of acid-loving fertilizer in the bottom. Half bags around. I'm just gonna use what I got. I want to mound it because it's gonna settle. Mound it. Hey, Fluff. Hold strong, little roots. Hey, we barreled through this project. Hope this works.